Hello everyone, it's Joanna. Welcome to my channel. I'm going to do plan with me. I'm going to do the Valentine spread, and I'm also going to show you my February dashboard for the Valentine's Day spread. I'm going to use a kit I got from Wendy Prints, and it has this page. It's got this. It has these little lists and stuff, and this check boxes or whatever they are, and some icons. There it is, it looks like that. So this is what I'm going to use for the Valentine's Day spread, and then I'm going to also show you my February dashboard, so stay tuned. So I'm going to start off with the days. I'm going to put the days on the spread. So I put in the days, and I put in the checklist. I'm going to put one of these for every day. I don't always use these as checklists because I don't have that many things to do per day, but that's what I'm going to use there. Okay, so I put the checklist. I've put only until Friday, and I tore it here, but that's okay. I'm not going to like freak out. And then I'm just going to see what I'm going to put on the other days. Okay, so I've put the checklists, and then on Valentine's Day, whatever, 13th and 14th, I put these little two icons. It's a little bit wonky, but what can you do? This is supposed to be fun. So I'm not going to, and when I pulled out the paper, it ripped, so it tore, so I'm not bothered. All right, so I put some washi tape, and it was a little bit, I cut it wrongly there, but then I just cut a little bit of extra of the washi tape, and then I just added that there. So it's all fine. So I put the lady here, and I'm going to finish it off. I'm going to add the icons at the bottom, I think, and then I'm just going to try to fill in with things. Because, you know, lockdown, not doing many things, and I don't use this for my work planner. So, yeah. So I added a box there, and that's the lady. And then it looks a bit weird there, but whatever. As I said, not a perfectionist planner. So then I'm adding these little boxes because I'm going to write down what we're going to do. And I'm going to continue sticking on the icons. Down here I added some more flowers, and then I put one of the icons here. I'm going to write stuff here. So now I'm going to put more icons. I think I'm just going to add them here. I don't know, I'll have a think. Okay, so I added blank boxes here, and then I added the stickers, the icons, and I've added some of the things like to clean and then to eat today. I'm going to add a few more things. I have some white spaces though, and I'm not very happy about those white spaces, but anyway, let's see. So now I'm going to use these little strips here to make washi tape lines because I don't have that many things to plan. I'm going to use these ones and see what happens. Okay, so I added the little boxes. I don't know what they're for. What do you use them for? Anyway, I'm just creating like little icons, and I'm going to finish off here with whatever I have. I have these left, so let's see. Okay, so I added the little lines at the bottom, those little boxes, and it looks a little bit like patchwork, but I don't mind. I like it. I think it looks good. And I'm going to start adding words, ink, and some of these things on it, just to finish off my spread. I'm not going to put anything here. I might add like a word or something. I don't know. I'll see. So this is before the ink. So I added some of the things I'm doing in the week and just added the little icons there. So, for example, I've got to return something. It's garbage day. We have hoovering, online shop. I do a bit of that. Laundry. Going to see my friend probably. And then Valentine's Day, just relax and stuff. And then I'm going to add some checklists, but I'm not going to, I don't know if I'm going to fill them. So I'm just going to add a few of my to-dos on the checklist, and then I'm going to finish off this, and we're going to continue with the February dashboard, because I have an idea about that one. Washi tape spread, you'll see. So get your coffee, because you're probably going to need it, because this is going to be a long video. So this is the spread with some of the things I'm going to do, and that is my finalized spread. So I'll just come close so you can see everything. I am squeaky today, I don't know why. I don't know why this turned out a little bit weird. Maybe I didn't stick it in the right place. Anyway. So that's my spread, and I'm using, this is the Love Something from Wendy's Prints. So what is it called? It's called Love Story. That's what it's called. Wendy Prints. So I got the full kit. If you're interested, you could use this. I don't think it's just Valentine's Day. I think it's a really pretty kit. So yeah. So let's move on to the February dashboard. Now these are the washi tapes I want to use. This one was from Washi Tape Store or something like that. And then these are all, I don't remember where from. And this was from Aldi. It's duct tape. So I'm going to cover the whole page in washi tape. And then I'm going to stick labels on it for all the important things in February. So I'm going to show you this in stages because I am using my phone and I'm just holding it so I don't have a flat layout. I'm just going to show you in stages and hopefully it will turn out into something nice. Okay, so this is really nice, this duct tape from Aldi, which I got ages ago. But it's very hard to cut, but I'm not bothered because I'm going to put like lots of washi tape all over, so even if you can't see this, it's going to be fine. So this is what it's looking like so far. It looks a bit messy, and here I didn't have enough duct tape, so I'm going to go over it with the washi tape as well. So I've done a little bit of patchwork there, but it's getting there. We'll see. Don't worry, it's going to look all right, I guess. Okay, so I've added various layers of this washi tape and created a long one. I know it looks messy, don't worry, it's gonna get sorted. I'm gonna finalize it now, and then I'm gonna start sticking labels on it, so you're gonna see what it's gonna look like in a bit. All right, so I've added these stripes as well, these washi tape here, so we have all this, and now I'm going to add labels and start writing. Okay, so this is my final spread. So it looks busy, but kind of nice busy, we think. So I just put some love hearts and some important dates, and then just something that I want to do this month, ideas for YouTube videos, hint, hint. You might want to consider subscribing to my channel, some words for this month, and yeah. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Bye!